Google has recently confirmed a significant preference for country code top-level domains, CCTLDs, when ranking search results, reaffirming its stance on prioritizing local relevance in search engine results pages, SERPs. This preference was underscored in a recent statement by Google, where they clarified that websites using CCTLDs associated with specific countries tend to rank higher in searches originating from those regions. For instance, a website using UK is likely to rank higher in searches conducted within the United Kingdom compared to a generic top-level domain, GTLD, like .com or .net. The rationale behind this preference lies in Google's commitment to enhancing search result relevance for users by prioritizing local content. By favoring CCTLDs, Google aims to deliver more localized and contextually relevant results to users, thereby improving the overall search experience. In practical terms, this means that businesses and organizations targeting specific geographic markets should consider using CCTLDs for their websites to potentially enhance their visibility in local search results. This strategy aligns with Google's efforts to provide users with the most relevant information based on their location and search intent. The emphasis on CCTLDs also reflects Google's evolving approach to search engine optimization, SEO, where local SEO strategies play a crucial role in improving website visibility and engagement within targeted markets. By leveraging CCTLDs, businesses can strengthen their online presence and potentially attract more relevant traffic from specific geographic regions. While the preference for CCTLDs is clear, Google continues to emphasize that other factors such as content quality, relevance, and user experience also influence search rankings significantly. Therefore, simply using a CCTLD does not guarantee high rankings. Rather, it is one of the many factors that contribute to a comprehensive SEO strategy. So, Google's confirmation of its preference for CCTLDs underscores the importance of localization in SEO efforts. Businesses aiming to improve their search engine visibility in specific countries should consider adopting CCTLDs relevant to their target markets. This strategic approach can enhance their chances of appearing prominently in local search results, thereby driving more targeted traffic and potential customers to their websites.